Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ApeCoin. In today's video, we will take a look at this breakout from this bullish pennant that I have already shown you in my previous video as well. And at that time, we were moving inside the pennant. Right now, we have broken it out. And in today's video, we will analyze whether this move to the upside will be continued or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this 4-hourly time frame chart, and here we can see that on the immediate short term we have the different support and resistance levels. The most recent supports we have here at 19.5 cents, and when I shared my last video at that time, this level of support was working as a resistance. You can see we had a rejection here and we had slight rejection here, and finally the price line broke out this resistance. And after breaking out this resistance of 19.5 cents, I was telling you that we also need to break out this bullish pennant as well, because we have a rejection here, we have a rejection here, and here as well, and 1, 2, and this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 expected rejection we were having here, but the price line is not rejected, broke out, and now right now it is retesting the previous resistance of the pennant as a support, not this support of 19.5 cents, because it is testing this resistance of the pennant. And we also had this support, and you can see that we had several touch points at the support of this bullish pennant, and this exponential moving average 21 is nicely working as a support as well. You can see that here it has tested this level as a support, here candlesticks have tested EMA 21 as a support, here as a support, and right now the price line moved very close to EMA 21 but did not test it. Now let's take a look at the target that I have already conveyed you in my previous video. What can be our expect target for this bullish pennant. Now we have a breakout from here, then we can expect the target approximately at $32.10, or you can say $32 as per this bullish pennant. And right now, if we switch to the very small time frame chart, like for example on 15 minutes chart, then we can see that we have found another level of resistance, and that is here approximately at $24.20. You can see we have a rejection here, and then we have a rejection here, and recently we are almost rejected by this level and testing the previous resistance of the pennant as a support. So once we will also break out this 24.20, or we may have any closing of the candlestick, the 4-hour candlestick will be closed above this level, then we can expect that there will be a very high probability that we may hit the target of $32 very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.